Okay, class, so we're going to talk about Google Docs and how to use Google Docs and also how to upload our videos. So first I'm going to do it in two separate videos. So this one's just going to be about opening up your Google Docs and using your Google Docs. So we're going to go to a blank screen and then type in the URL docs.google.com, push enter. And that's going to bring you up to your Google. We all have our Gmails created. We did that at the beginning of the year so that we could use all of the different Google sites. So then I'm going to have you click on blank. Okay, so when we're creating a letter, we are going to want to have it look very professional. We typically do it at a 12-point font. You can do it in whatever font. Well, actually, we'll keep it at a professional font. So either use Arial or we're going to use Times New Roman. So that one's down here, Times New Roman. So use one of those. And we're going to put the date at the top. We'll do that later, but right now we're actually just going to, we're just going to go down a couple spaces and start our letter with dear. So dear, and then the name of whoever, the name of whoever you're sending the letter to with a comma, and then you're going to go down about 4 spaces. And that's where you're going to start your letter. So then you're going to start, you can just type whatever, we want to keep it professional. So it's going to be, hello, my name is Miss Gideon. I am from Heber City, Utah, and I teach 3rd grade. Of course, you guys aren't going to type that up, but that's just my example. About introducing yourself, I want you to do an introduction about our class, and then we're going to come down here and you're going to explain the project. So we are learning about culture. We aren't learning about culture, it'll be ecosystems, but that's what I used in the example earlier that's on your assignment. So you'll be learning about ecosystems, you'll go down, you'll type more, thank you, I guess I should do that. Thank you so much for your time. We can't wait to hear back from you. And then we go down a couple spaces and end it. Sincerely. Typically you go down because your name will go here, and then you'll sign right here if you're doing a printed out letter. However, if you're doing email, then it doesn't really matter. So we're going to practice this though, just to learn how to type out our letter, and then we're going to do it as a class and come up with the best letter that we can write. So that's how you use that. Of course, you're going to save it here. And then you can share it, send it to me by typing in my email here. So it's going to be, so then you can, once you type in the email right at that front part, then you can enter it and push Korngegen, push send. And it will be sent to me so that I can see it. So I can grade you on your letter writing. So if you have any questions, you can always ask me, but that's how we do it.